Okay, so hi, welcome to my channel. This is my second channel. Don't confuse it for my other channel, but welcome. And today we're going to do, I'm Umberlay, and today we're gonna do acrylic pour. So I've got canvas out, and I've already put the mixing fluid in, and I'm gonna start adding some colors. And then I'm gonna start mixing. So I did watch a couple other videos on this of people doing this. I'll definitely link those people down in the description because they had some really great videos and their work came out really excellent. They've been doing it for a lot longer than me, so their work definitely shows that. And yeah, that's always fun to see what other people are doing. Oh my gosh, I'm making a giant mess. The fun of art, mess making. How big of a mess can you make? Those two colors look like they're going to be fun. So I'm going to try out 3 different techniques. Alright, so we have our cup that right now just seems like I made a very big muddy mess, and like I'm about to make the biggest mess I've ever made in the history of my kitchen. Here goes nothing. Or everything. Oh gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay. And voila! We've made a giant mess. Oh, that's not what I was expecting to happen. Oh, the paint mixed horribly together. But maybe we could fix it. We may just have to go with acrylic pour fail. All right, I guess I need to do a set reset and okay, so what I've done is I've already prepared my colors. This time I've used all colors from the kit. So they're slightly different, but I stayed in the same color vein as the last pour so that we could see what we get. This time we're gonna use this little device that came, it kind of looks like the thing you put in your sink, but it came with the kit, so we're gonna give this a try. I don't know, we'll see what we get. I'm gonna start the pour with black and then go in the order of the colors I have here, and I think I'm gonna put a little bit of black in between some of the colors. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. So I'm gonna just get started since I'm already all set up. I use the same mixture percentage, so it's 70% of the mixing fluid, 30% paint, and then 4 drops of the whatever this is called. I don't know if the camera will focus on it. So it's like pure silicone. I don't know. We'll see. Now I'm gonna want it to go to all the edges, so I'm going to just, and then we'll heat it up and see if we can get any cool cells. Or maybe we'll just jiggle it over here and back over here. I don't know. Maybe this one's another fail. Like I said, I am definitely a hardcore beginner at this, and perhaps maybe my ratio is off. Maybe I need to play around with how fluid the paint is. I don't know. I don't know. I'm definitely not getting cells the way I thought I would, so maybe I need to add more of the silicone. Okay, I'm back for the final pour. I've decided to mix up just these colors and leave out the black. I think it was like mixing in weird with the bright colors and making them really gray. So yeah, and I also added like a lot more of that silicone, because it was really hard to judge how much I was adding. The dropper that came with the kit was like really, okay, so this is actually quite thick, and it was really difficult to tell how much I was actually adding, and the dropper that came with the kit is quite like a cheap item, so it was really difficult to tell if I was actually adding like 3 or 4 drops or if I was not adding a drop. So I just added more. So we'll see what happens. And this time around, I'm going to like put the paint down and I'm going to use this to see what kind of effect we can get, and then I'm going to add some heat and we'll see what we come up with. If we get any cells, if we don't get any cells, if we get anything neat looking or not. So I'm going to give it a try. So I guess this was a really fun experiment, and yeah, I think I could see what I could do to push this idea a little further. But I will say I've used all of these little bottles of paint. There's no paint in here anymore, so that's a thing. So if you're gonna do this, be prepared to use a lot of paint and get very messy, and it's a little time consuming. I've definitely cut out a lot of mixing and cleaning, so there is that. Other than that, I want to thank my partner for all of their help. This definitely was beyond my physical capability, so their help and assistance was super important in actually accomplishing this. And yeah, if you want to see more videos on this channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, do the things, and definitely check out the videos that I'm going to put in the description, which will lead you to other acrylic pour artists that are actually acrylic pour artists, which are not me. So please check them out. They're really great, very brilliant. Their work is gorgeous, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.